Hello and welcome to Medy Wellness. Today we are making potato soup. So this is what we will need as ingredients. Potatoes, onions, garlic, black pepper and cinnamon, cooking oil and salt. Now let's start preparing. Heat a cooking pan. Add cooking oil. Pour in the onions. Stir. Add in the spices, black pepper, cinnamon and garlic. Cook them till it starts to brown. Add in the potatoes. Stir. Add in the salt. Stir. Pour in hot water. Stir. Cover and let to cook till it softens. Since we are using a pressure cooker, it will cook in 10 minutes. Let it cool. After cooling, place in a blender. Blend. Boil. Serve as desired. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.